This word is pronounced gorgeous, gorgeous. So we have two syllables, gor and jus. The stress is on the first syllable, gorgeous. The first syllable starts with the G sound, g, 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 followed by the R-controlled vowel, or. It is the word or. You also find it in words like for, or pour, or ignore. And then we have the second syllable, which is jus. It starts with the J sound, j, 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 followed by a schwa, sound, j, j, j. I like to sometimes refer to this as the lazy version of the short U because it's really just the sound we make when our mouth is kind of hanging open. J, j. And then finally we have the S sound. S, s, just. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I remember seeing my wife when she was walking down the aisle during our wedding, and she looked so gorgeous. Who's someone that you would describe as gorgeous? Do you have a memory of someone looking particularly gorgeous? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more right now, go ahead and click on this video.
Oh, darling, you're gorgeous.